Good morning to dear student. Today I will start new chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Now in earlier standard you have studied about the linear equation in one variable. For example, suppose we have this type of equation x plus 3 equal to 5, x plus root 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 5 equal to 7. Here we have only one variable x. Here one variable x, here one variable x, here one variable x. Suppose we have this type of equation, root 2 into y plus root 3 equal to 0. So here also one variable y. So these equations are known as linear equation in one variable. These are linear equation in one variable, and these all have only one solution. For example, suppose we have this equation 2x plus 5 equal to 7. So therefore 2x is equal to 7, taking 5 right hand side, so it becomes minus. Therefore 2x is equal to 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore x equal to 2. Here 2 in multiplication, so it comes into division. So 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore here this equation have only one solution. So note that linear equation have one variable, its degree is 1. See that here x raised to 1, here x raised to 1, y raised to 1. So linear equation have degree 1, variable 1, and it has only one solution. And this solution, that is the root of the equation, we can represent on number line, and we represent on a number line. Now suppose we have, so we can say that linear equation in one variable have linear equation in one variable have linear equation in one variable have only one solution, that is root. Also we can say root, and its degree is 1. Suppose we have another equation, suppose x plus y equal to 5. So here how many variables are there? X and y both. So here we can say this is a linear equation in two variables. Now therefore we can say y is equal to 5 minus x. Now suppose we put x here, suppose here we write x and y. X equal to 1. So what is the value of y? 5 minus 1, 4. X equal to 2. 5 minus 2, that is y equal to 3. X equal to 3. 5 minus 3, 2, that is y equal to 2. So if we put different value of x, that is if we put the different value of x, that is real number, and we know that there are real numbers, there are very many real number, integers, whole numbers, rational number, irrational number. So if we put different value of x, so we find accordingly y. So we can say that this equation have infinite solution, because here this equation x plus y equal to 5, so y equal to 5 minus x. So suppose here we have 3 solution, and if we draw the graph, rough graph, I will explain you by drawing rough graph. This is the x dash, this is y dash, this is the origin, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now if we locate this point in the graph, if x equal to 1, y equal to 4, x equal to 1, y is 4. So here x is 1, y is 4, x is 2, y is 3, x is 2, y is 3, and x is 3, so y is 2. So if we draw the graph, then it is a line. This is the graph of this equation x plus y equal to 5, and this graph is a line, and we know that on the line there are many points. On the line there are many points. So we can say that a linear equation in two variable have infinite solution, because the graph of linear equation in two variable is a line, and on line there are many points, infinite points. So we can say that the line has a infinite many solution. Now this equation we write in this form also, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So also we can say, what is the coefficient of x here? 1. So 1 into x. Here the coefficient of y 1. 1 into y. Minus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 5. So we can say that this equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a standard form of linear equation in two variables, and where a, b, c are real number and a and b are not both 0. So a, b, c are real numbers, and a, b are not both 0. Both 0. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Therefore, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a standard form of linear equation in two variable. Standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Suppose we have this type of equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So how to write this equation in standard form? So 2x plus 3y, taking 5 this side, minus 5 equal to 0. Now we means what is a here? So a equal to 2. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 5. C is equal to minus 5. And also this linear equation in two variable have infinitely many solution, because I have explained when we draw the graph of this linear equation, it is a line and a line has infinite number of points. So we can say that linear equation in two variables have infinite solution. Now exercise 4.1, question number 1. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen, and write the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Here we have one statement is given. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So this statement we have to, for this statement we have to write in a linear equation in two variable. So how to write? First of all, we assume that, suppose that let the cost of notebook is equal to rupees X and cost of pen is rupees Y. Now we have given the statement. So according to given question, we have given the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of a notebook, what is the cost of notebook? X is is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of notebook, it is X, is twice the cost of a pen. That is, twice means doubled. Means suppose a pen have the cost of pen is 5 rupees. So what will be the cost of notebook? So it is 5 to the 10. So here the cost of notebook, that is X, is twice the cost of pen. Cost of pen is Y, and it is twice the cost of pen. Twice, that is double than the cost of pen. It means suppose the cost of pen is 5 rupees, the cost of notebook will be 10 rupees. So here we have equation is X equal to 2y. So we have X minus 2y equal to 0. It is the linear equation in two variable. Now question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form of Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. Here we have given the linear equation and we have to write in the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Also we have to write the value of a, b, c in each case. I will explain you 4 question and you have to, and the remaining 4 are homework. I will explain first 4 and remaining 4 are homework. First equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. So therefore 2x minus 3y, taking this term this side, so minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. So here we also we can write this equation in this form, 2x plus minus 3y plus minus 9.35 bar equal to 0, because see that for plus minus minus, here plus minus minus. So why I have written in this form? Because we have to write in a standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax, a equal to 2, ax plus by, b equal to minus 3, plus c equal to 0. C is constant number. A, B, C are real numbers. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 9.35 bar. Now our second question, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore we write x, that is its coefficient is 1 into x. Here minus sign we are taking in bracket, plus in bracket minus 1 upon 5 into y, because see that plus minus minus, y into 1, y upon 5. So I have taken minus 1 upon 5 in bracket because it is a real number. Minus, we are taking minus in bracket, so we write plus in bracket minus 10. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 upon 5 and c equal to minus 10. Here plus minus minus, y into 1, y upon 5, plus minus minus 10. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 upon 5 and c equal to minus 10. So here we have written in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now third equation, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Therefore minus 2x plus 3y, taking 6 left hand side, minus 6 equal to 0. So therefore we write minus 2 in bracket minus 2x plus 3 into y plus taking minus 6 in the bracket. So plus plus minus minus. So here a equal to minus 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 6. Now here in this equation, x equal to 3y. So we write x minus 3y. Now here there is no constant, means c, there is no the term constant term here. So we write add plus here. We add 0 here, because if we add 0 in any number, so we get the same number. So here we are taking 3y in left hand side, x minus 3y, and we add 0. So 1 into x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. So ax, a equal to 1, by, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 0. So 1 into x plus minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. So here A equal to 1, B equal to -3, C equal to 0.